Hello guys, we are welcome with our new SQL problem, which we have to find the number of percentage of followers a particular user has. So we have given a table named meta, which has two columns, user ID and follower ID. It represents each user ID and a particular follower ID. So these follower IDs are also users of Facebook or Meta. Then we have to find the famous percentage of each user. So we have given the formula for finding famous percentage, which is of number of followers a user has divided by total number of users on the platform. Okay, now let me give you a brief insight into the problem. So we have given this table in which we have particular user ID and follower ID. So first we need to find the number of followers a particular user ID has. The output should be look like this, like 1 2 5 11, and the number of followers by counting the number of follower IDs. Then we have to find the number of total users in the particular table, because the user ID is also in the follower ID. So we need to calculate the distinct number of users from both the columns. Now let me start the coding. MySQL says root p. So first, let me give you an insight of how we can use by using the common table expression. First, I'm solving this problem by using the common table expression. So we can say we can find the followers of user ID. It's like with the followers as select user ID comma follower ID. So we need to count the number of followers of the particular user ID. So I'm calculating it. So this is a code for Meta. First, I can show you how this actually works. So let me group by it user ID, because we are using a aggregate function. Group by user ID. Okay, so I have not selected any database. Database is use SQL Pro. So now we have find out our first table, which is we have find the number of followers from the user IDs. Now we have to find the number of total users from the both tables, from these two tables. So we can say we can use the uh, select user ID from meta union select follower ID from meta. So by using the union from the board table, first let me show you how it looks like in the database. So by using the union on both columns, we have the IDs which are unique. We have the IDs which are unique. Now we have find out by using the users. Okay, so now we have the IDs which are unique. So we have find out our both main. We have find the number of unique users. We have find the number of followers a particular user ID has. Now we can find the total number of users by just counting it. So first let me show you from using common table expression. So first first column will be this. First statement of with CTE will be this. CTES. Now second I'm using the number of followers of a particular user. So I can say number of followers as okay. So now we can put out the code of this code. Select user ID, count follower ID. Select user ID, count follower ID from meta group by user ID. Okay. Then now we can say we can find out select we can say f dot user ID f dot we have not provided any aliasing to the follower ID, so we can just provide as follower. Now we can write out our final statement, which is select f dot user ID comma f dot follower divided. We can just put out select count of star from CTE. We can just write we can count from followers f. So now we have just write the final statement, and it is saying that write instance in f dot user id f dot follower. Okay, so the problem is I have used the comma. Select. So now we have our percentage of users a particular ID has by using the aggregate of our CTE common table expression. Now we can multiply it by 100. We can multiply it by 100 and we can aliasing as famous percentage. Okay, now we have solved this question. We have find the number of famous percentage from this table. Okay guys, bye bye.